I want to show you how much the cost of just normal fruits and vegetables are, and just when you go to like a local market, how much things actually cost. So I want to show you what we bought and then tell you how much we paid for it. So we got three packs of arepas. And in each pack are 5, so 15 arepas, 5 carrots, they're like pretty good size too, they're pretty big. And then we got 3 plantanos, 3 peppers, 3 onions, and 12 little tomatoes. Well, not little, they're pretty big. And then a half a watermelon. And this total, everything here costs 19 pesos, so 19,000 pesos, which I will break it down how much that is in dollars. It's like a normal grocery vegetables. I got 2 buckets for my plants because my plants are being eaten by ants, so I have to transplant my lupus. So I got a bag of soil for 5,000 pesos. Got 2 big buckets for 7,000 pesos each, so 14,000 pesos for 2. I will put all that on screen to show you how much everything costs on just like kind of buying random stuff. So I went to the store again to buy more things, so I have it all set out to show you how much I bought for what I spent. So I'm gonna try to go off the receipt so I can tell you exactly how much these things cost. I got some coffee creamer, 3,200 pesos. Oatmeal, which is like 1,000 pesos. Peanut butter, 4,500 pesos. A big thing of rice, like bigger than my head, 2,500 pesos. A big thing of sugar for 3,100 pesos. Instant coffee. Instant coffee is like 5,400 pesos. Raisins, 2,500 pesos. And some real coffee, 15,000 pesos. A coffee strainer for 7,000 pesos. Bread, which is about 3,500 pesos. A papaya, it's like the papaya mini, which was 2,000 pesos. And then I got 3 bananas, 1 tomato, and a head of lettuce for 2,500 pesos. The snacks, they're like the most expensive snacks. Cookies, they're like Oreos, but Colombia's version of Oreos for 6,500 pesos. And I don't know, I'm gonna try this thing because I've never had it. And I don't know how much it was either. But in total, everything I bought everything cost 60,000 pesos when I added it up. And normally I wouldn't get the real coffee and the strainer, so if you minus that from my total, that would be more of a regular how much I spend at the store. So probably minus 22,000 pesos, which would be like around 40 something, which I will put the how much everything costs here in the description and break it down into US dollars so you can see how much I spent at the store today. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll talk to you later. Bye.